Top languages for web development.
Choosing the right programming languages is essential for a successful web development career. Each language serves a specific purpose, from building responsive interfaces to crafting powerful backends. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your skills, mastering these top languages will help you excel in today's competitive tech landscape.
JavaScript, the backbone of the web.
JavaScript is an indispensable language for web developers. It powers interactive features on websites and runs on nearly every browser. Modern frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue are all built on JavaScript, making it crucial for creating dynamic, user-friendly applications. Understanding JavaScript is a must for anyone aiming to thrive in web development.
HTML and CSS, the foundation layers.
HTML and CSS are the building blocks that structure and style web pages. HTML creates the content structure, while CSS controls layout, colors, and fonts. Mastering both is essential for crafting visually appealing and accessible websites. Even advanced developers continually rely on a solid grounding in HTML and CSS for every project.
Python, versatile and in-demand.
Python is increasingly popular in web development thanks to its readability and efficiency. Frameworks like Django and Flask make it easy to build robust, scalable web applications. Python's versatility extends beyond the web, so learning it can open doors to data science, automation, and more, giving your tech career added flexibility.
SQL, managing data with precision.
SQL, or structured query language, is essential for interacting with databases in web applications. From storing user profiles to handling transactions, SQL powers the data-driven backend of most sites. Knowing how to write efficient SQL queries helps you manage and secure data, a vital skill for backend and full-stack developers.
Other valuable languages.
Languages like TypeScript, PHP, and Ruby are also valuable in web development. TypeScript brings more robust typing to JavaScript code, while PHP and Ruby are the backbone of many established web platforms. Exploring these languages can diversify your skill set and help you adapt to a wider range of projects and workplaces.
Choosing your path.
Start by mastering core languages like JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Then expand to back-end options such as Python and SQL. Explore frameworks and additional languages to match your interests and career goals. Consistent practice and staying updated with industry trends will keep you competitive and prepared for new opportunities in web development.